Yamaha YZF-R6 is a sport bike motorcycle produced by Yamaha Motor Company. It's known for its aggressive styling, high performance, and exceptional handling. The R6 has been a popular choice among riders who seek a thrilling riding experience both on the road and the track. With its powerful Inline-Four engine, advanced chassis, and cutting-edge technology, the R6 has been a favorite among sport bike enthusiasts for years. Engine performance. The Yamaha R6 Inline-Four engine is renowned for its exceptional power and refinement. This engine, featuring race-derived technology, includes advanced components like titanium valves, lightweight forged pistons, and a high compression ratio. These elements contribute to its robust performance, ensuring smooth power delivery throughout the rev range. The high-revving nature of the engine allows for exhilarating acceleration and top-end power, making it a favorite among both street riders and track enthusiasts. Its refined engineering ensures that the engine not only performs at peak levels, but also maintains reliability and longevity under high-stress conditions. Aerodynamics. The aerodynamic design of the Yamaha R6 is meticulously crafted to enhance performance and stability. Wind tunnel-tested fairings and integrated aerodynamic elements help to reduce drag, allowing the bike to cut through the air with minimal resistance. This reduction in drag not only improves straight-line speed, but also enhances fuel efficiency. The aerodynamic design also aids in stability at high speeds, reducing turbulence and providing a smoother ride. The fairings and bodywork are designed to channel air effectively, improving cooling for the engine and ensuring optimal performance under various riding conditions. Riding position. The ergonomics of the Yamaha R6 are designed to provide an optimal balance between comfort and control. The slightly aggressive riding position places the rider in a forward-leaning stance, ideal for performance riding and precise handling. The rider's seat is contoured to offer support during aggressive cornering, helping to maintain stability and control. Despite its sporty stance, the seat and handlebar positioning are designed to minimize rider fatigue, allowing for comfortable long-distance rides. This thoughtful design ensures that riders can enjoy both spirited rides and extended journeys without compromising on comfort. Quick Shift System. The Quick Shift System, QSS, available on some Yamaha R6 models, is a game changer for performance riding. This system allows for clutchless gear changes, enabling faster and smoother transitions between gears. By eliminating the need to use the clutch or throttle during gear changes, the QSS enhances acceleration and reduces the time spent shifting, which is particularly beneficial on the track. This feature not only improves lap times, but also contributes to a more engaging and seamless riding experience, allowing riders to focus more on the road or track ahead. Adjustable suspension. The Yamaha R6 is equipped with fully adjustable suspension components, allowing riders to customize the bike's handling characteristics to their preferences and riding style. The front forks and rear shock absorber offer adjustable preload, compression, and rebound damping settings. This flexibility enables riders to fine-tune the suspension for different riding conditions, whether it's a smooth race track or a rough city street. The ability to adjust the suspension ensures that the R6 can provide optimal handling, comfort, and stability in any situation, enhancing overall ride quality and performance. LED lighting. The Yamaha R6 features a full complement of LED lighting, including headlights, taillights, and turn signals. LED lights offer superior brightness and visibility compared to traditional halogen bulbs, improving safety by making the rider more visible to others on the road. Additionally, LEDs have a longer lifespan and are more energy efficient, reducing the electrical load on the bike's system. The modern and aggressive styling of the LED lights also enhances the bike's aesthetic appeal, giving it a sleek and contemporary look that stands out both day and night. Smartphone connectivity. Some newer models of the Yamaha R6 come with advanced smartphone connectivity options. This feature allows riders to connect their smartphones to the bike's instrumentation system via Bluetooth or other wireless technologies. Once connected, riders can access features such as GPS navigation, music playback control, and call notifications directly on the bike's display. This integration enhances convenience and safety by allowing riders to stay connected without needing to take their eyes off the road or their hands off the handlebars. It also adds a modern touch to the bike's overall functionality. Yamaha typically offers the R6 in a variety of color options, allowing riders to choose a finish that reflects their style. These color schemes range from vibrant, racing-inspired liveries to more understated, sleek monochrome finishes. The variety of options ensures that there is a look to suit every rider's taste, whether they prefer bold and attention-grabbing designs or classic and elegant styles. The availability of different color options enhances the bike's appeal, allowing riders to personalize their R6 and make it uniquely their own. These additional features highlight the Yamaha R6's comprehensive approach to delivering a high-performance sport bike that excels in both form and function. With its combination of advanced technology, refined engineering, and thoughtful design, the R6 continues to be a top choice for riders seeking an exhilarating and well-rounded riding experience.